It ain't cutting back, cutting off, nothing. It ain't hesitating. It's got like a tremble to it, like a light shake. And it's weird to me. Just the motor is just the way it runs. Because if that's the case, man, damn. Like Mopar, y'all need to tighten up. Like, for real. No, sir. No, sir. Can't do it. No, sir. Yo, what's going on, YouTube, baby? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel. You were kicking it with Kelvin, baby. We are back live and direct with it. Hey, today, y'all are riding with me right now. I'm trying to go get my hair touched up with it, get my hair cut. Looking like all this wool around my neck, get something done to it. So, y'all ride me to go get my hair cut. And after I get my hair cut, then I'm taking my 2016 Dodge Charger by the Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep, mostly Mopar. I'm taking it by them. I mostly just get everything checked out because lately, well, not lately, I kind of noticed it a while ago, but it's like it's getting a little bit worse. For some reason, when you ride it in the car and everything rides good, it don't have no problem with the car. No lights on the dashboard, nothing like that. What the problem is, it's like when you sit still at a light or at a drive-through somewhere like I am right now, the car's running fine right now. Then sometimes you feel like a light tremble, or maybe it's having a misfire, but no lights on the dashboard. Last time we got it checked out, it still didn't have no problems. They said it didn't have no issues at all, but it's just trembling a little bit too much. I understand it's a 6.4 motor, Scat pack, but come on, man. Just, if anybody else having any type of problems or anything going on with their car, please drop down in the comments and let me know what's going on, because I do not know. It's my first time having a Mopar car, and I just want to make sure that I'm not crazy or something going on with me, or I'm just tripping. But I know my brothers them got the same car, and theirs do that sometime, but I just want to make sure that my shit is legit and good to go. So somebody please drop down in the comments. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Keep kicking it with me, baby. We rocking, we rolling. So y'all stay tuned for that, and see what we got else in store. All right, y'all, we here. We're here right now. We at King and Queens. As y'all see, we gotta wait before I get hit. King and Queens, man. Make sure y'all come down here and get touched up. You see it on the door, King and Queens. But walk on in here and see Chad real quick. What's up, Bo? How you doing? Hey, y'all, this is one of the best barbers. I'm trying to tell y'all. What's up, guys? How you doing today, man? Hey, y'all, this is Chad, man. Chad, you talking about, you got a YouTube, man. That's where I get all my music from and my videos that y'all hear. That's where everything come from Chad right here. Yeah. Hey, want to talk about your page, man? Check out the link. It's on your, check out the link. I make sure I drop that link down here in the bottom, down here in the probably right-hand, left-hand corner. Y'all make sure y'all check out his music, and make sure if you're in the Spring Lake area that y'all come get a cut, man. Get diced up real quick by my boy. He get you right, bro. He get you right and get you tight. All right, baby, I got my cut, whatever. Little edge up, you know, little razzle-dazzle. Nothing to it but to do it. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, now that I got my hair cut, now I'm about to go to Mopar in Fayetteville, North Carolina, to figure out what's all going on with this Charger. Hopefully they can look at it real quick, because I did not make no appointment. Technically, I don't care, but I never have a problem when I go to Mopar. Y'all go check out Chad, like I said. Get y'all cuts, man. Get y'all cuts. I'm trying to tell you, get them cuts. Go to King and Queens. Y'all see it in the background. Get y'all cuts. You in Spring Lake, North Carolina, make sure you get your cuts done and get it done right and tight, baby. All right, let's take this ride. Let's go on down to Mopar, bitch. So what? I'll pull up beside you. But I gotta figure out what's all going on with my car with this old trembling thing. So, yeah, I see that start. Y'all see the gremlin on it? See it? Yeah, go ahead and take a ride with me down here. Figure out what's going on with this car. Make sure everything right. Hopefully nothing wrong, but yeah, let's do it. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, oh man. All right, y'all, we here now at Mopar, Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Figure out what's going on with my baby. Ain't nothing actually wrong. I just want to make sure everything's straight. Yeah, a little trembling got me on edge a little bit, but yeah, we here. Figure out what the devil going on. Service department, I think it's over here. Yeah, here we go, baby. Mopar, yes sir. Oh, see. I just want to figure out what's all going on with my car. Oh, I do YouTube, so that's why I'm doing this. You okay with being recorded?
I would prefer not.
Okay, cool.
You know, it is America.
So y'all, look, I'm at Chrysler Dodge and Jeep, like I said, in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Back outside of Mopar right now. Apparently the guy told me there's nothing wrong with the car, everything is fine. I was gonna let y'all see everything, me going there talking to the guy and all, but apparently somebody didn't want to be recorded and made a big old fuss about it, so I just turned the camera off, but it is what it is. But it says everything running fine with the car, no lights and everything is on, but that little light tremble is kind of bothering me. So he told me to bring it back early Monday morning at 8 o'clock and they go, I guess, run diagnostics on it. I ain't got no engine lights or nothing on. It's just it's just how it's running. And I don't like that, man. I don't like that at all. Like that's you can't sit right here and tell me that motor runs like that, the hard as it was shaking. Cause man, I was sitting in the car and me and two other people sitting in the car and they was like, "What the hell wrong with your car?" I was like, "Ain't nothing wrong with my damn car, ain't no engine light, nothing on, so ain't nothing wrong with my car." But I just want to get everything checked out and make sure I'd rather be safe than sorry. But I'm gonna let y'all hear what I'm talking about and show y'all what I'm talking about. Cause you can see it yourself, it's kind of shaking just a little bit, but it's I use 93 gas. I don't put no bad gas in. I take care of all my cars. I'm just trying to figure out what the whole deal might be. So please, somebody drop down in the comments if y'all having the same type of issue, or is it just the motor, or is it just the way it runs? Because if that's the case, man, damn, like Mopar, y'all need to tighten up, like for real. So y'all check this out with me. Make sure I'm not tripping or nothing. See if it's shaking or whatever. But I'm just started up. Let y'all hear what the fuck going on, I guess. Move this so y'all see. 6.4 Scatty. Like I said, no engine lights or nothing on. Gas good. It's not running hot, thank God. Ain't nothing on but the seatbelt light. Okay, ain't got no seatbelt on. So you gotta be telling me. Hold up. Get up out of here. Pop this hood real quick. There ain't no possible way that thing was shaking the way it is, and you tell me ain't nothing wrong at all. As y'all see, I'm gonna turn my little light on so y'all can see it. Let me clean that thing out. See right now, everything is fine. She ain't doing no type of shaking or jumping or nothing. It's just, I don't know. Somebody let me know, man. Maybe I'm tripping, or is that the way it's supposed to run? I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out myself. Figure out what's going on. But I do got an appointment Monday morning to come down here and figure it out. But like I said, no lights on the dashboard. Everything running fine at the back. It ain't cutting back, cutting off, nothing. It ain't hesitating. It's got like a tremble to it, like a light shake. And it's weird to me. I just want to figure out what's going on. If that's how it run, then I'll let it slide. I'll call it a damn day. I need to clean that out. What in the world, the leaves come up in there? But I figure out what's going on, man. I ain't paid this much money for this car to have no shake mobile. This ain't no goddamn stripper. I ain't trying to see no ass shaking. All right, y'all, check it out. So they end up getting me back there. I got here like 5:20, 5:25, something like that. They end up saying they close at 6 o'clock. It's 6:01 right now. And the guy that I know another guy. I thought he was off today, but he was actually at work today. And he went here and took my car back there. The other guy talking about some, hey, we gotta make an appointment, come back 8 o'clock on Monday. I didn't have to make no appointment. I ended up sitting here and he came outside and I ended up talking to him, telling him about everything that's going on. He took my car back there right there. I don't know about y'all people, where y'all from, but every time I come to Mopar, I never had a problem except for this time. But this guy right here, he said, look, just hand me your car keys and go ahead and down, walk around the lot, do what you want to do, and I'll be back in a second. He took my car back there himself. He was supposed to get off at 5:30. It's 6:02 right now, and he just now getting off and gave my car back. There's nothing wrong with my car. There's no problems. He said that's just Mopar itself. When they made them cars, the 6.4s, the Scat Packs, the Track Hawks, the Hellcats, yada, yada, yada. The Demons say they all run like that. I don't know. I ain't never been in people's cars that got one like that, so I couldn't tell you. But I know my car is good. The diagnostic check, everything came back good. There's no problems going on with it, thank God. Because I'm telling you, this much for this damn car, and that bitch shaking like a stripper. No, sir. No, sir. Can't do it. No, sir. But all jokes aside, he got me in. He got me back out. Nothing wrong with my car. No check engine lights on. The diagnostic check came back good. That's just how the car runs. No motor problems, nothing at all. So I appreciate him for that. Pulling out a Mopar as we speak right now. So yeah, we're good to go. And y'all stay tuned, stay kicking it with me, rocking and kicking it with me, baby. Hit that notification bell so you can make sure you get this new content when I drop it. You know you want it, you got it. So y'all stay rocking and kicking it with me, baby. And remember, you are kicking it with Kelvin, baby. All right, y'all be safe.